At Vox Nutrition, we're not just in the business of nutritional supplements. We're in the business of sustainability because we believe it's a win-win for everyone involved: our planet, our business, our customers, and our communities. Our commitment to sustainability is built on 3 pillars: environmental, social, and economic. First, let's talk about environmental sustainability. We're proud to say that we recycle over 80% of the waste leaving our facility, including office and break room waste. We're dedicated to responsible waste management, and we actively encourage recycling through internal campaigns. When it comes to our shipping materials, we prioritize recyclability. 95% of our packaging materials are recyclables, further reducing our environmental footprint. By the end of the quarter, we will be harnessing solar energy by installing panels on our building. This initiative aims to reduce our reliance on traditional energy sources and contribute to a cleaner environment. Economic sustainability is another key focus. We're all about optimizing resource utilization and operational efficiency. By embracing technology like our Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP system, we're on track to go primarily paperless, significantly reducing our paper consumption. Our energy-efficient thermostat control system ensures we maintain proper product storage temperatures while saving energy during unoccupied hours. It's a win for both our bottom line and the environment. Now let's talk about social sustainability. People are at the heart of our efforts. We're committed to creating a safe and inclusive work environment for our employees. We support fair labor practices, promote diversity and equal opportunities, and engage in philanthropic initiatives that benefit society. By fostering a positive workplace culture, we encourage employee well-being and satisfaction, which drives productivity and innovation. Our initiatives include recycling, recyclable shipping materials, solar panels, going paperless, an energy-efficient thermostat control system, and our zero-waste landscaping. We believe in taking tangible steps toward a more sustainable future for all. At Vox Nutrition, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a commitment to a better world. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a greener and more sustainable future.